नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अच्छे हैं, मस्त हैं, स्वस्थ हैं, अपनी पढ़ाई को निरंतर जारी रख पा रहे हैं। हम बीएसटीसी फर्स्ट ईयर की डायरिया भर रहे हैं, सत्र कार्य वाली डायरी है। पेपर 6 पेडालॉजी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश का पेपर, इंग्लिश वाली डायरी भरेंगे। इंग्लिश तो मुझे आती है तो कैसे भरेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोल लेंगे, जैसे भी आएगी वैसे। ये हमारा 5 6 7 6 पेपर है। ये वाला पेडालॉजी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, ये वाला भरना है। चलो चलो करते हैं। पेडालॉजी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। हु डू वी यूज द क्लासरूम रिसोर्स। वन may teach a contact subject without teaching aid, but it is not possible to teach language without teaching aids. Teacher require a blackboard to write letter of alphabet, words, sentence, rules, etc. Therefore, teaching aid acquire a little more importance in language teaching. For an effective teacher and teaching of English language, classroom can be used as a good source of teaching aids. There are many things in a classroom, e.g. blackboard, chart, picture, furniture, etc. These articles can be used for teaching lexical item and sentence framing. The use of the blackboard. Blackboard is one of the most versatile and useful resource for teaching aid. It is a standard equipment and is always available in every classroom of the school. Blackboard may be used for various purposes without special preparation. Teacher can use Blackboard for presenting word and stories. The teacher can write table for presentation and critics. For example, they are playing football, volleyball now. The teacher can use Blackboard drawing of people, places and objects. Matchstick fingers, birds can be drawn on the blackboard. The teacher can write models of handwriting on the blackboard. C etiquette. C etiquette. C etiquette. The teacher can write lexical word etc. for practice in reading and copying. Map can also be drawn on the blackboard. Teachers can draw picture on the blackboard for teaching picture composition. This will make their teaching a lot more interesting by creating suspense among the student. The teachers can draw cartoons, balloons to teach dialogues and conversation. Classroom is a resource for teaching. A resourceful teacher does not depend on the outside aid material. He uses classroom equipment as a teaching aid. Many transitive and intransitive verbs, preposition, conversation, articles, connectives, pronoun, stories, oral composition, pronouns, adverbs, and many grammatical items can teach in the class. Teacher opening the door on the gate. Mohan, what I am I doing? Mohan, sir, you are opening the gate. Teacher, yes, I am opening the gate. Teacher, showing a book on the table. Radha, what is on the table? Radha, a book is on the table, sir. Teacher, Mohan is reading a book. Ram, change this sentence into passive voice. Ram, a book is read by Mohan, sir. Teacher, yes, you are right. Sit down. Teacher, Geeta, how many students are in your class? Geeta, there are 25 students in my class, sir. Teacher, would you like to recite a poem? Class, yes, sir. Teacher, all right, now recite after me. Poem. Behold her, single is the field, yon solitary highland hush, reaping and singing by herself, stop her or gently pass. Class received the poem after the teacher. In this way, we can say that a resourceful teacher can use the classroom as a resource in teaching. दूसरा प्रश्न आ गया है, एक प्रश्न पूरा हुआ। दूसरा है राइट ए हिस्ट्रिकल व्यू नेचर एंड फ्रेंड्स कॉन्टेक्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश इज द सेकेंड लैंग्वेज इन इंडिया। Objective of teaching English as a second language are to enable the student to develop their skill of listening comprehension in English, to enable the student of develop their skill of speaking in English, to enable the student to develop their skill of reading comprehension in English, to enable the student to develop their skill of writing in English. Historical view nature. It is well known fact that India is a multilingual country. There is an old saying, कोस कोस पर बदले पानी, चार कोस पर बदले वाणी. Water and language change at regular distance. This apply demonstrates the multiplicity of voice in Indian society. According to the 2001 census, there were as many as 66 mother tongue belonging to 5 different language families in these country. Our 87 language are used in the country is conducted in voice. Scheduled language. The NCF 2005 clearly state that linguistic diversity of India poses complex challenges but also a range of opportunities. India is unique not only in that a large number of languages are spoken here, but also in terms of the number of variety of language families that are represented across those language from 5 different language families, namely India, Aryan, Dravidian, Austro-Ostrich, Tibeto-Burman, etc. इंडिया इन इंडिया। ये हमारी PDF हो गई। इसके पासवर्ड आपको पहले बताए नहीं हैं क्या? तो ये पेडागोजी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, इसमें से इसके पासवर्ड है इंग्लिश इसके पासवर्ड है। इस PDF के पासवर्ड इंग्लिश है। ये हमारी PDF कहाँ मिलेगी? टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिलेगी। नीचे टेलीग्राम चैनल की लिंक दी हुई है, तो वहाँ से टेलीग्राम लिंक ज्वाइन कर लें। थैंक यू।